Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Polvo Traslucido is probably one of the most underrated beauty products out there, but trust me, it's a game changer. This magical powder sets your makeup, controls shine, and blurs imperfections, giving you a flawless, airbrushed look. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, finding the right translucent powder can elevate your entire makeup routine. Number 5. Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Loose Setting Powder. Introducing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mini Loose Setting Powder. It's a finely milled powder that sets makeup for all-day wear. This product helps to minimize the appearance of pores and imperfections. This is the translucent shade, perfect for all skin tones. It provides a soft focus effect, leaving your skin looking smooth and flawless. It's ideal for setting your under-eye concealer. The powder sets your makeup, ensuring it stays in place. It helps to control shine and oil throughout the day. You'll love how it keeps your makeup looking fresh. The mini size is perfect for travel or on-the-go touch-ups. It's easy to carry in your purse or makeup bag. You can keep your look perfect wherever you go. Get a flawless finish with this setting powder. It creates a smooth, airbrushed effect. It's a must-have for any makeup routine. What we like. This powder sets your makeup, blurs pores, and lasts all day. It creates a flawless base that stays put. If you are looking for a setting powder that provides a matte finish and keeps your makeup looking fresh for hours, you should consider this one. What people say. Covers beautifully. It is totally clear and does the trick. Leaves my face looking flawless. Number 4. Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Setting Powder. This setting powder is designed to keep your makeup looking fresh all day long. It helps to lock everything in place, ensuring it lasts for up to 16 hours. You can confidently go about your day knowing your look will stay put. The powder works to create a smooth, flawless finish. It minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines, giving you a more refined complexion. It's like having a real-life filter. Say goodbye to unwanted shine with this product. It helps to absorb excess oil, keeping your skin matte and fresh. It's perfect for those with oily or combination skin. This product is both vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about using it. It's made without any animal-derived ingredients and is not tested on animals. It's a win-win for your beauty routine and the planet. Get ready to experience a flawless finish with this amazing setting powder. It's designed to give you a long-lasting, airbrushed look. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. This setting powder promises up to 16 hours of wear while controlling shine. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty choices. If you have oily skin or need a long-lasting, ethical option, you should consider it. What people say. Perfect to even my skin tone without any powdery-looking residue. I add a bit of blush and that's it. Looks and feels natural, holds the makeup you apply on it. It keeps your skin looking fabulous, feels lightweight and non-greasy, and lasts all day long. This is the first product that worked. And I have tried everything. Number 3. Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, Translucent. This loose face powder helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It gives your skin a smoother and softer look. It's designed to help you achieve a flawless complexion. You can use it as a foundation coverage to smooth and soften your skin. Alternatively, apply it on top of your makeup as a setting powder. This helps you achieve a flawless, smooth look. The powder provides long-lasting, full coverage that feels light on your skin. You can wear it all day without feeling weighed down. It works well as both a foundation and a setting powder. Get the flawless finish you desire with this loose face powder. It helps at your contouring and highlights. It also helps conceal and reduce the look of skin imperfections. This product is designed to help correct uneven skin tones. It works to give you a more uniform and balanced complexion. Use it to achieve a smooth and even skin appearance. What we like. This powder helps to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, giving your facial skin a smoother, softer look. It provides lightweight, long-lasting coverage for a flawless finish. If you like a classic, affordable option that delivers a smooth, airbrushed effect, you should consider this. What people say. It gives a matte finish but really helps me achieve a look that is both matte and slightly dewy. It evens out my skin tone, mattifies my T-zone, and doesn't amplify my lines or break me out. It really does work as a light foundation if you're not looking to cover anything major. Number 2. Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder. This powder is perfect for normal to oily skin. It provides a natural, poreless-looking finish and helps control shine. It's also allergy-tested and non-comedogenic. The powder is designed to last, keeping your skin looking fresh all day. It helps to control shine, giving you a flawless look. You can use it as a setting powder. Maybelline Fit Me offers a wide range of shades. From ivory to mocha, you're sure to find one that matches your skin tone. It helps you achieve a natural, I woke up like this finish. Maybelline offers a variety of face products. From foundations to concealers, primers to powders, it has everything you need. Use it to create the perfect base for any look. Maybelline has a wide range of products to complete your makeup. From eyeshadows and mascara to lipsticks and lip gloss, you can create any look you desire. What we like. This powder provides a matte finish and helps to create a poreless look. It also offers shine control for a natural finish. If you have normal to oily skin and want a budget-friendly option for a smooth, natural look, you should consider this. What people say. It controls shine well and lasts throughout the day without needing many touch-ups. It keeps my face matte and shine-free for hours, even during long days. It sets my makeup beautifully without making my skin look cakey or dry. The formula is lightweight and finely milled, which gives my face a smooth, airbrushed finish while controlling shine throughout the day. Number 1. Revolution Loose Baking Powder, Translucent. Introducing the Revolution Loose Baking Powder. This product is designed to set your makeup and give you a flawless finish. It's a must-have for any makeup routine. This powder provides a luminous, silky finish. It absorbs shine and excess oils without leaving a white cast. It helps to set your foundation, contour, and highlight. The finely milled formula extends the wear of your makeup. It reduces shine throughout the day. Use a brush for a natural look or a sponge for precise baking. The translucent shade is perfect for all skin tones. Other shades are available to minimize pores or set your base. It's versatile and easy to use. Use it to set your makeup or as a weightless foundation. Apply with a puff or sponge, pressing lightly. Leave it on for a few minutes, then gently brush away the excess. This product is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and vegan. It is made without any animal-derived ingredients. Revolution is proud to be PETA-approved, animal test-free. What we like. This powder provides a luminous, silky, and even finish, absorbing shine and excess oils. It prolongs makeup wear and reduces shine with a long-lasting formula. If you like a setting powder that gives a radiant finish and keeps your makeup looking fresh, you should consider this. What people say. It goes on very easily, has a very silky, not cakey texture, and lasted all day. Controls shine and gives a flawless, matte look, perfect for oily and combination skin. It brightens where I apply with a velour powder puff all day long, and if you let sit for a longer period 5 minutes, it also helps to keep oils at bay throughout the day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.